Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I feel like I haven't done a sit down video like this in literally years, so please bear with me as I get back into things. A lot of you are new on my channel, so I just wanted to do a little intro about who I am, what I'm about. So I'm Hannah, I live in Pittsburgh and I do content creation and I'm an esthetician. So I love beauty, all things beauty, and actually that kind of leads into the video today. So I really wanted to do a fall favorites video just showing the different skincare and beauty products that I've been using this fall. Before we start, I actually wanted to do a PR haul because I've been sent a lot of cute PR this fall and it would be fun to unbox it together. So let's get into that because I have so many boxes sitting around near my front door and I really need to unpack and organize. I literally keep this by my front door and it just fills up through the week and the month. So I think I'll be doing a lot of PR hauls on here just so I can show you the new products that are coming out, and it's always really fun to see what the brands are doing. So first off, let's start with Prada. This was sent to me actually just yesterday and I kind of opened it a little, but I didn't actually look at the product. So it comes in this cute little almost a bag packaging and it says currently handling something. And yeah, it opens like this. Oh, okay, it twists. And it's a cream. And this is actually a hand cream and it's for your cuticles and nails, which is perfect because my nail girl was just saying how my cuticles get really dry in the fall and winter. Oh, that smells really good. So I'm gonna keep that by my nightstand and actually use that every day. Okay, next up we have Armani Beauty, and I'm a huge fan of Armani. I actually wore their foundation on my wedding day. I fell in love with all of their beauty products, so I'm really excited to try this. This is their new skin tint. I got it in M2 and M3 just because my skin does get pale in the winter, so I wanted options. I've heard so many good things about this tint already, so I'm really excited to try this, and it's very lightweight, dewy, and kind of for days that you don't want to wear makeup but you still want a little bit of color on your face, so I'm excited to try this. Continuing with makeup, I was sent a ton of products by Settle Beauty. I've been dying to try this brand. I think their branding is so cute, and they sent me a bunch of different eyeshadows. So this is an eyeshadow duo. This is a concealer. They literally gave me a whole face of makeup. So I'll be trying these products out and will let you know if I like them, if anything stands out to me. This is very nostalgic for me, but I used to love Colossal mascara in middle school and high school. They sent me the waterproof and just the normal mascara. This is just a go-to. Every time I go to the drugstore, I'm I'll pick one up. It's just nostalgic. I love the way it makes my lashes look, so excited to just continue using. I just realized I have another Prada PR boxing. It comes in this cute little box, and then it has this banana thing. It almost looks like a sunglass case. It's what the heck? But then this is the lip product. It's a banana balm and it delivers 24 hours of hydration and it gives a warm luster to your lips with an oil formula. And I love oil formulas, and like I said, my skin, nails, everything gets really dry in the winter, so I guess I'll just be using this under my lip colors and things like that, just for hydration. Moving right along, I have some skincare. This is a brand that I've been dying to try, and I'm probably gonna say it wrong. Shiseido Tokyo. Cute little bag. I love packaging that's cute. I can't get over it. I'm such a sucker for packaging. So this is a clarifying foam. I have to look at it. Let's open it up. I am excited to try this out. I mean, I have so many skincare products, it's actually a problem, but I'm always willing to try a new cleanser. Next, I have more skincare, and it's actually from a brand that I've used a lot, and so does my husband, and it's Kiehl's Skincare. So this is the box. Oh, it's really heavy. Oh, they sent me their cleanser, which I've used their cleanser before and I love it, and my husband loves it too. And a sunscreen, of course. I've actually never tried their sunscreen, so that'll be cute to try. This is their deep pore cleansing mask. So this really helps with blackheads because it's a clay mask. Again, this is one of my favorite clay masks actually. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the PR haul. I'm probably going to continue this series just because it's fun. I feel like we're kind of opening things together. I want to share more about this stuff, so I hope you enjoyed that. But let's get into my fall favorites, my beauty favorites of 2025. Okay, my first favorite is my new Dyson. This is the pink Dyson Airwrap. Comes with all of the different tops. What am I saying? I don't know, interchangeable things. But the one thing I love about this so much is you can switch it from left and right by twisting it at the top here. And so that way you don't have to switch out this top part to do like the right and left of your hair. You just switch it at the top. I feel like it's much more powerful than the old Dyson, and overall I've just been obsessed with it, especially since my hair is shorter. I know a lot of people kind of don't like the Dyson, like I don't know, it just gets like a bad reputation for some reason, but I'm here to stand by the Dyson because I really think it's so worth it. You basically get a hair dryer, a curling iron, brushes, like you have the round brush, you get all of these pieces all in one. And I know it's a little expensive, but it like lasts for years. I mean, seriously, this will last you for 3-4 years and just be like, I use it every day. So yeah, I love the Dyson. Like I couldn't say enough good things about this. Okay, my next fall favorite is actually this Target find. So this is a Tree Hut Sugar Scrub. That's hard to say, Tree Hut Sugar Scrub. I am so obsessed with this. Like, I don't know, it just smells so good, and I've really never had such a good exfoliating product, and it's like $6. Like it's under $10 for sure. And I feel like it lasts forever too because there's so much in there. But I love just scooping it out in the shower, rubbing it all over my legs, my body. It exfoliates so well, smells amazing. Plus it has like oils in here. I feel like it really hydrates the skin. I think it's perfect for fall and winter, and it really just has that cozy vibe to it. So definitely try this out if you're at Target and you see the Tree Hut. Like just get one. Get any of them, they're so good. So at the beginning of summer, I decided to try the Rhode products out, like Rhode Beauty, and I tried out their Skin Glaze, I tried out the Barrier Butter, oh obviously like their lip peptide treatment, and I just wanted to see if I liked anything before I talked about it. So I've been using it all summer, and I have to say this product is so worth it. So this is the Barrier Butter. I am shocked at how good this is. This is a really hydrating, like lightweight, balmy kind of moisturizer. I'll show you the texture. It's just so nice. It is the perfect texture for like under makeup. So I'll put this on before I do my makeup, and it just gives this beautiful glow, and it gets rid of any flakiness on my skin. It doesn't make me break out personally. Not sure if it's good for all skin types, but it's been great for me. I can't get over it. I actually am so shocked at how good this is. So I definitely recommend. It has the esthetician approval from me on Rhode Barrier Butter. I have another pricier beauty favorite, but I do have to say this is so worth it as well. So this is the NuFace Mini, also my gua sha stone. So I'm gonna talk about both of these, but let's first talk about the NuFace. So I got this and was like, does it really work? Like, is it really that great? It's amazing, I love it. So you turn it on, there's 3 different settings, and it kind of like buzzes up here, and you put on, they have like a spray, they also have a gel, but basically you just like take this up your face a few times and it gives you a full facelift. Like, I'm not even kidding. The difference between when I do this side and this side is drastic. But I love using this. It's so easy to throw in my bag when I'm traveling. It really lifts my face, so I'll do like all on my cheekbone, my chin, and it just really gives you that like snatched, beautiful skin look. So I love this, and I especially love it when I'm feeling lazy because it like immediately just does everything for you. However, I also love the gua sha stone. Again, I feel like the gua sha has received some like negative press through the years because I think people don't know how to use it the correct way. But basically, like, I'll just drag it along my skin, not hard at all, but like you need a glide to it. So you put like a serum on or something, and then you just want to kind of glide this up and then kind of drain your skin. Maybe I'll do a tutorial on this, but there's so many on TikTok and things, so you can definitely learn how to use it. But I use this daily if I don't use my NuFace. I feel like it really just like gets rid of puffiness in my skin, and if you're consistent with this, it will literally get rid of like the double chin or like any kind of puffiness. And I also even do it along my nose to kind of like slim my nose out a little bit, if that makes sense. Yeah, I just can't get enough of both of these products. Like, couldn't live without them, truly. Okay, my last favorite is actually 2 products from the drugstore, but I'll just make it one favorite. So I've been loving this setting spray. Like, I don't know what's in here, but it's amazing. It comes out like in an aerosol can. It's L'Oreal Infallible 36-hour setting spray. It's like pretty powerful. It comes out like a hairspray almost, so you kind of like shut your eyes and like really get it on there, but when I say this sets your skin like so beautiful, it really keeps your makeup on all day. And I cannot live without this. I'm gonna do a tutorial just because I feel like you need to see how intense this is. It's literally like a hairspray, and then I'll kind of fan it. And yeah, I'm set. I mean, I'm double set because I sprayed it on this morning already. Okay, my next favorite. I just got this, but the packaging is already so messed up on it. Like, it really scratched off and it's kind of ugly. This is the brow lamination from L'Oreal, and this is like, it's not setting spray. What am I saying? It's a, like, gel. Okay, so it's a gel. I'm losing my mind. So it's a gel, and you just basically brush your eyebrows up. And I already put this on today too, so this is like double holding my brows now. But I will pencil in my brows first and then put this on after, and it really holds my brow shape. I've tried so many fancy like eyebrow gels, all kinds of things from like designer makeup brands, blah blah blah. I've tried it all. This is the best one. So if you have trouble keeping your brows in place, like, this is it. Okay, so those were all of my favorite products. I'm probably gonna do this for winter too, and just like continue this for the seasons, because I love seeing like other people's favorite beauty products and like what they're using. I think it's so helpful. So I will continue doing the same. But I just want to thank you so much for being here. I know I haven't been consistent with my long form content, and that's something that I really want to stay consistent with. It's like my favorite form of content because I love to talk. Like, obviously I can't shut up. So I need to be on YouTube because I can just talk forever on here. Yeah, I just want to thank you for being here. It means so much to me. I love this channel. I love you guys. Yeah, let me know in the comments if you've tried any of these products out or some of your favorite beauty products below. I always love to try new things, especially if it's like a drugstore thing or something, you know, that like changed your life. I want to know about it. So leave me a comment and like, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.